Hello friends, today I'm doing so-called unboxing of the coat that I had in my closet, but I didn't have the chance to unbox yet, but warm, so I hope it's still on side. It's super cold right now here in Massachusetts, Boston area. So lately I'm trying all my coats. Important actually that coat has a nice strong hood. That's why I think this is the warmest coat I own now. This is not down one, just regular insulation. And it has like two-way, I think. Yeah, two-way zipper here. It's nice and strong. This puffer is kind of nice and strong. I bought it only for $40, but normally it's like 90, I think, or 100. The cuffs of sleeves are a little bit here cinched, so and narrowed, so that's good because cold air doesn't go in. The hood is already attached, so that's good, and it has regulation, which is also good. And this one actually will be able to regulate it to the tightness I want. And it has two pockets here, normal ones. Actually this coat also has something that is cool, which is here. It has slit and it has snaps, 3 of them, so you can unsnap it and it's more wide, easier to walk. So, and it's H&M. I got it in size large, and it's here is the tag, and it says 60 recycled polyamide and 40% recycled polyester. So it's a little heavier than down coat, but it won't be so cold tomorrow and that wind that I want something that is super warm. Let's try it out. Yeah, so it looks good. And then that camera a little higher. So the length is below me. It's making this loud sound, swishing sound. But it's nice and warm. Let's see how it zips. Yeah, easy. Zips nice and to here to the neck, which is also good, because I don't think you need the, what it's called, scarf. And then nice and warm. And how is hood? Hood is big, that's good. Because I really don't want that wind make my teeth even worse. see if it's... Oh, see, you can snap it here. I think so. Or not. How do you know? Can you? Yeah. Yeah. Snap here. And also hood. See, I can make it tighter, which I want. See, this foot is now tightened. And that's how it should be. On this side too. Yeah, this is how it should be. Nice and tight. And that way I go to work tomorrow. Because it will be super cold going through parking lot. Wow, I'm hot here. Yeah, so this is how I will be going. See, this is how it looks. Nice and long. And warm. Such weather like today. Wind and 22 Fahrenheit. And wind, so feels like 10 Fahrenheit. Then you can walk with hands inside. And you can walk like this, and you're good to go. So yeah, this is, so tomorrow I will wear this one. Hope you enjoy such videos. Don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. See you in the next one. Bye.